Your goal should be to be more fit and not just lose weight. To be fit, you can adopt any form of exercise which you like personally. Even walking itself is very effective.
Did you know walking 30 to 60 minutes a day is recommended for health and weight management? In fact, a brisk walk beats gym, exercise, and sports for staying slim.
Exercise increases your metabolism. The benefit of exercise is not limited to 100 calories which you lost by 45 minutes of walk, but is much more. Your metabolism remains high throughout the day when start exercising, and that is the main benefit. Keep on pushing yourself. If you had not been even walking so far, then start with brisk walk. No need to buy a smartwatch, just use Google Fit app in your mobile phone. Start strength training also, as it will further accelerate the weight loss. We recommend you to engage a fitness trainer for 3 sessions in a week. You should hire a trainer from Urban Clap or Fightitaway at least for 1 month. Trainers are quite affordable now at 2,500 rupees per month. From today, start at least 45 minutes of exercise, 5 days a week, to tone up the body along with weight loss.